So in the previous episode we were discussing about the difference between a living entity and a dead body, or spirit and matter. So we were discussing about how there are 6 changes for a living entity, that is birth, growth, maintenance, reproduction, dwindling and finally death. But matter or dead body doesn't have all these things. Now please see this very important aspect of this creation. God's energy can be classified into 2 important category. Number 1, inferior material energy, and number 2, superior spiritual energy. Now under inferior material energy, it is made up of 8 elements. So in the Bhagavad Gita, so Krishna beautifully explains this point, that is Bhumir apo analo vayuhu kammano buddhirevacha ahankara iti yamme bhinna prakriti rashtada. So here Bhumi, Apa, Anala, Vayuhu, Kham. So what are these things? So this is nothing but the Panchabhutas, the 5 elements using which the entire creation is made. So here you can see under God's energies, under inferior material energy, we can see these 8 elements. So what are the 8 elements? The 5 gross elements and the 3 subtle elements, or we can say 5 gross body and 3 subtle body. And in local language, in Sanskrit, we can say it is Sthula Sharira and Sukshma Sharira. And Sthula Sharira or gross body is made up of these 5 Panchabhutas, 5 elements. And Sukshma Sharira or subtle body is made up of 3 things. What are they? Man, Buddhi, Ahankar. Mind, intelligence and false ego. Let me recite that verse again. Bhumir, Apa, Analo, Vayuhu, Kham. So these are the 5. Bhumi means earth, Apa means water, Bhumir, Apa, Anala means fire, Bhumir, Apo, Analo, Vayuhu, Vayu means air, and Kham means ether or space. So these are the 5 elements the entire creation is made up of. And 3 subtle elements, what are they? Bhumir, Apo, Analo, Vayuhu, Kham, Mano, Buddhir, Evacha, Ahankara. Mana, Buddhi, Ahankar. So how to remember this subtle body or Sukshma Sharir? I have made a formula. Remember MBA. What is MBA? Man, Buddhi, Ahankar. So this is Sukshma Sharira and this is gross body or Sthula Sharira, earth, water, air, fire and ether. So this is God's inferior material energy. And what is superior spiritual energy? And that is Atma, that is soul. And what is the characteristic of the soul? That is Sat, Chit, Ananda. Now I should explain some details about these points. Now if you take from ant until Brahma, meaning the insignificant living entity of this world, to the supremost living entity of this world, that is Brahma. You take from ant to Brahma, every one of us want to live eternally. No one wants to die. How can you say, sir? Let me give an example. Just imagine you are driving on a bike or a car, or even you are just walking. You are just going on and you are about to take a right turn, and suddenly there is a big Volvo bus with heavy speed just coming, boom, and you are just about to meet with a very major accident. At this point in time, just my question is, a big Volvo bus is right in front of you and you are about to get hit. What is the feeling? You feel, aha, abhi maza aayega. Now I will enjoy. Do we feel like that? Or what do? We scream, oh help! We scream at the top of our voice with a lot of fear and agony. Why? So even we are not prepared for this accident, but just about to hit, immediately we scream helplessly for help. Which means the innate nature inside us, we want to live, we don't want to die. That is my point.